Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your real estate investments with Zillow. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by navigating to the Zillow website or opening the Zillow app. Create a free account if you haven't done so already. Once logged in, go to the buy or rent section, depending on your investment strategy. Input your desired location in the search bar. Use filters to refine your search based on price, number of bedrooms, and property type. Explore the map feature for a visual representation of available properties. Identify neighborhoods with strong rental demand and property appreciation. Take note of the Zestimate, Zillow's estimated market value for homes. Compare Zestimates with actual sale prices to gauge market accuracy. Use the sold filter to view recently sold properties in your area of interest. Analyze the rental income potential by checking similar rental listings. Consider using the price history feature to see how property values have changed over time. Look for trends in specific neighborhoods to spot potential investment opportunities. Utilize Zillow's Make Me Move option to find homeowners willing to negotiate a sale. Connect with local real estate agents through Zillow's platform for professional insights. Keep an eye on market conditions using the Market Overview section. Set up alerts for new listings that meet your investment criteria. Evaluate potential returns on investment by calculating rental yields. Use the mortgage calculator on Zillow to determine financing options. Continue conducting thorough due diligence for each property you're interested in. Stay updated on Zillow articles and resources for real estate investing tips. Review and adjust your investment strategy based on the insights you gather. With consistent effort and research, you can effectively scale your real estate investments using Zillow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.